समझ गई? क्या समझी? जोर से बोलो।
चाय को सिर्फ खाना मिलता है,
हाँ,
और उसका स्टरलाइजेशन नहीं हुआ।
हाँ,
कॉफी को सिर्फ प्यार मिलता है, उसको पानी नहीं मिलता, खाना नहीं मिलता, कुछ नहीं मिलता, स्टरलाइजेशन भी नहीं हुआ। बिस्किट को खाना नहीं मिलता,
हाँ,
पानी मिलता है, पर प्यार नहीं मिलता,
हाँ,
और उसका भी स्टरलाइजेशन नहीं हुआ। और कोको को खाना भी नहीं मिलता, पानी भी नहीं मिलता,
प्यार भी नहीं मिलता
प्यार
है।
भी नहीं मिलता, पर उसका स्टरलाइजेशन हो।
हाँ, तो अब ये चारों की समझ गई किसको क्या मिलता है? चाय को खाना मिलता है, कॉफ़ी को प्यार मिलता है, बिस्किट को पानी मिलता है, और कोको को स्टरलाइजेशन मिलता है। तो ऐसे में कौन सा डॉग है जो नहीं काटेगा?
आई थिंक कॉफी,
क्यों?
उसको प्यार मिलता है।
तो प्यार मिलता है तो प्यार तुम्हारी मम्मी तुमको रोज करती रहेगी प्यार। आजा बेटा बैठ जा, आजा बेटा खाना ये आजा, मैं तेरे को पपी दे दूँ, मेरे पास सो जा, मैं तेरे को झूला झूला दूँ, आजा राजा बेटा, गुड़ गुड़ बेटा, शक्कर बेटा, ऐसे करके तुमको प्यार करती रहेगी। और सुबह से तुमको भूखा और तुमको प्यासा।
पर then तो all dogs will bite
हाँ, क्यों?
because they're getting one thing but not the other. You need all those things so that the dog will not bite you and will trust you enough to like trust you as a friend.
यस। सो जो डॉग बाइट का सॉल्यूशन है वो एक चीज से नहीं है।
4 चीज से,
क्या?
खाना,
हाँ,
पानी,
हाँ,
प्यार,
हाँ,
और स्टरलाइजेशन।
और एक और है 5वीं, स्लीप। यदि उसको प्रॉपर स्लीप नहीं मिलेगी तो क्या होगा? चिड़चिड़ा हो जाएगा, जैसे अपन हो जाते हैं। देन ऑल्सो इज दैट इज द रीजन नंदिनी हैज केप्ट दिस ड्रम हियर। व्हाई? बिकॉज द ड्रम इज हियर, सो द चाय, कॉफी, बिस्किट, कोको, ऑल ऑफ देम स्लीप नाइसली. So have you ever listened on this street? Have you ever listened that चाय ने कॉफी काटा, बिस्किट ने काटा, कॉफी ने काटा, कोको ने काटा?
They're all the friendliest dogs I've ever met in my entire life till now. So because they are getting everything they need because of you.
Of
And,
all of us, community
and
work.
all of this colony, everybody is contributing something or the other to help out with these dogs. Some people are helping with the sterilization, some are helping with the food, some are helping with the sleep, some are helping with the water. Everybody is helping with something or the other, and because of this our colony has the most friendliest dogs
In entire country.
yes,
We should get the award.
yes.
You know?
Our society,
Yes.
our colony
Yes.
should get that award.
Yes.
Because of our society, these dogs have a family and they feel safe living in the streets among us, and they feel that they're bonded with
Yes.
us because we have actually bonded with them, giving them food, water.
Yeah, and dog is a social animal. So one
Yes.
more point that you just raised about the family. So that is equally important.
Yes.
Supposing that you get food, you get water, you get love, you get enough sleep, and you also get all the medical treatment. But you are
But I
away.
don't get help.
You are not in Indore. You are not in the street
I
where
will
with your
feel-
family.
I will feel loneliness.
Yes. Supposing you go to some other country and you are living there alone with all the comfort, will you be happy?
No, not at all. Because a family is a part of you, and without that, you become very lonely. Sure, you might have friends and other people, but they don't take that place in your heart where the family stays. They have another place because friends might be the family you choose on your own, but it isn't that bond. That bond just isn't with the friends you have with your family. That bond cannot be found with any other people. You can just find it with your family.
तुम्हारे चरण किधर है नंदनी? कितनी होशियार हो यार तुम, कितनी समझदार हो. हाँ, कितनी समझदार हो.
मैं समझदार तो नहीं हूँ, बट दिस इज समथिंग दैट एवरीबडी शुड नो, बिकॉज फैमिली इज डिफरेंट एंड फ्रेंड्स इज डिफरेंट.
तो फिर ये जो लोग होते हैं जो डॉग के बच्चों को और मदर को अलग अलग कर देते हैं,
दैट इज क्रूअल्टी. दैट्स जस्ट क्रूअल्टी.
राइट.
प्लेन क्रूअल्टी.
Right?
Yes.
That cruelty is not human to human, but dog cruelty is more deadly than the human cruelty, right?
Yes.
Because
it
dog is such a innocent, sweet, like
animal, and it is very social.
Yes.
If you don't hurt him, he will like you. He will love you. He will come near you. He will like be a companion in lots of things. But if you just hit him with stones or sticks or your shoe, then he will get angry. He'll bite you. He'll think of you as an enemy.
He thinks that the shooting is over, so he's now going, and we can hide Coco's treat in his place. So Coco will find it again. Hide it underneath that bed, you know. He was very smart to hide it there, so only on a rain day he can eat it. Dogs are very smart also,
Yes.
very intelligent.
So they store their food. If they're not hungry, they store their food and then they eat it in a time when they're hungry.
Right. So it's time for you to eat lunch now. Let's wrap up this shooting and we will do more awareness videos in days to come. Yeah?
Of course, I would love to.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. And adopt dogs, please. Adopt street dogs. Thank you.
Thank you.